For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Tired of cluttered bathrooms? This 37-inch vanity fixes it. I've tried a few bathroom vanities before, but nothing worked like this 37-inch white vanity with a quartz countertop and left offset sink. From the moment I installed it, my mornings became smoother. Everything has its place, and the space instantly feels cleaner and more organized. Built to last. Made from solid wood and plywood, this vanity resists moisture and warping. Unlike cheaper options I've used, it stays sturdy year after year. Quartz Countertop Magic. The 1.5-inch pure white quartz countertop is non-porous, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, no sealing needed. I love how it stays polished even after daily use, making my bathroom feel fresh all the time. Smart storage. 5 dovetail drawers and 2 soft-close shaker doors keep all your essentials organized. Full extension drawers mean no more digging around, and soft-closed doors prevent annoying slams. Personally, it made my routine faster and less stressful. Easy to install. Pre-drilled for an 8-inch widespread faucet and arriving pre-assembled with a matching backsplash, setup is simple. Brushed nickel pulls add a modern touch and are easy to maintain. Why you'll love it? Durable, low maintenance, and designed for real daily use, this vanity is perfect for master bathrooms, guest bathrooms, or powder rooms. Upgrade your space today and enjoy a bathroom that's both functional and stylish.